This little curly-tailed baby is Lucky. That's Millie, Clover, Grandpa Connor. Bono's around here somewhere. What are you doing back there, Lucky? Huh? What are you doing? I love those little floppy ears. Oh my goodness. Lucky, come here. Come here. Come and see me. Hi. Hi, I love you. I love you too, Millie. I love you too, Millie. Millie gets a little jealous. Huh. There's Connor. Cody. Cody. These two. I think Clover will do best with the family with another dog, because she loves to wrestle. So much wrestling. Huh? She's a wild woman. She's wild. You trying to be tricky? I see you, peekaboo. Hi. I know, waking up from naps is hard. Do you have a nap hangover? I think that's a real thing. So this lab is not the mom. Mom I just saw walk by the back door. She's Auntie. She's gonna have puppies in a month. What are you two doing? Huh? You wrestling over here? Who's winning? Always Clover? Well, there's Bono sleeping over by the toys. Oh, Cody. Did you poop out already, huh? Yeah? Are you more of a morning puppy than an evening puppy? I don't hate that. Me too. I'm more energetic in the morning. Oh, get that scratch. Do get that scratch. You're a pretty girl. Oh, I just love that face. Ow, puppy, don't jump. Oh, there you found a toy. Hey, Ethan. Will you get a rawhide for her? Just like that. Thank you. Wrestling match over here. Cody trying to referee. Get him. These puppies are 8 weeks old, and Cody is 5 months old, and they are almost as big as he is.
It's hilarious.
It is kind of funny. Hey, Cody. Stop it. You're no fun. More puppy wrestling. So when you get a puppy, they use their mouths to figure everything out. And the hard part about that is their teeth hurt a lot. And so when they are wrestling with each other, if somebody's too hard, they yelp. And so we try to make that same sound when they hurt us. And if they do it more than 2 or 3 times, then they say, ow! The first time, and if they do it 2 or 3 more times, then we walk away. And we try to ignore them, and that's how we try to tell them that was too hard, that's too much, and don't do that again. It takes a little while for them to learn the threshold, but they get it eventually. Oh man, these puppies are wild. I'm so thankful they have each other. Huh? Cody, stop. Hi, Clover, baby. Hi. Yeah, hi. I love you. Oh yes, I love you. I love you. Sorry, horrible camera work. Oh yeah, I love you. Just a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. And I love those paws. They're so delicious. They're so delicious. I love you, pretty girl. So another thing, if they can't quit biting you or chewing on you, then you give them an appropriate toy that they can. Because those teeth coming in hurt. And so they like the rawhides and the ropes and the things to chew on. So having appropriate toys is very important. Huh. Just like you, you're very important. And I love you. Ow! I don't want to play with you anymore. Alright, well, my family's waiting for me to have a fire. Not excellent, Maddie. Not excellent.